ChatGPT and Google have some similarities and differences. Here are 5 key differences. 1. Purpose. ChatGPT is primarily used for natural language processing tasks such as text generation, language translation and question answering. While Google is a search engine and provides a wide range of services such as search, email, cloud storage, and online advertising. 2. Training data. Google's primary source of data is the web, while ChatGPT is trained on a diverse set of texts such as books, articles, and websites. 3. Customization. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks or industries, while Google's algorithm is designed to provide general information. 4. Privacy. Google collects and stores personal data from its users, while OpenAI does not collect or store personal data from ChatGPT users. 5. Accessibility. Google's services are widely available and accessible to the public, while access to the full version of ChatGPT is limited to approved users and partners. In summary, ChatGPT is a specialized tool for natural language processing tasks and Google is a general-purpose search engine. Additionally, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI and it's primarily focused on providing advanced natural language generation capabilities.